So since the last video when I showed how we built our garden bed, I wanted to show some progress from April and now it's June. This is what the garden bed looks like. I was able to plant some squash and some peppers, and that's my potatoes. I grew those in grow bags. I'm trying those out, and those are my collards. Since that time, I've been learning so much about dealing with pests and what's ready to grow. And we are now at the point where we're starting to see progress in our garden. So I'm very excited for where we are right now. I do have some videos coming up showing how I'm growing in grow bags. But as of right now, we are really progressing with the garden, and I will show some videos of how we are growing some food in grow bags. Like and subscribe if this is something that you're interested in seeing.